Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon. Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching the quick hands-on with the Nokia 4.2, the mid-range smartphone from the company that was launched at the Mobile World Congress event. And this phone comes with a 5.71-inch display on the front, which the HD plus resolution, that's 720 into 1520 pixels of screen resolution and a 19:9 aspect ratio. This phone is the part of the Android One program. That means it is meant to get the software updates on time. On the back is the glass back, and along with that there's a dual lens camera combination with the 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera combination that you see on the back of the phone, where the secondary one is for the depth sensing with the face detection autofocus. As you can see on the back, this has the Android One branding, which means it is meant to get at least 2 years of the major software updates, and along with that regular security updates as well, which Nokia is known for. Now getting into the actual OS, that is the interface, it's Android 9 Pie that is the phone is running, and it has most of the basic Google applications and there is no other bloatware on the device. So it's Android 9 Pie right now, and it surely is expected to get the future updates, and the security patch level is on 1st January 2019. There are a few gesture modes that you see here. That's the turn over to reject call Google Assistant button, which is a dedicated button that is given on this phone as well as on the Nokia 3.2. And there is one more feature on the phone, that is the notification light that is a part of the power button now. Under the storage settings, you get a 32 GB option. There's also a 16 GB storage option, and there is 3 GB of RAM on this phone. Moving to the cameras, there's a dual lens camera combination as said earlier. There's a 13MP plus 2MP combination on the back, while on the front there's an 8 megapixel camera that is for the captures of the selfies. In the camera specs, what you find is an f2.2 camera along with an f2.2 2 megapixel camera, and on the front there's an f2.0 selfie camera and it's an 8 megapixel one. Under the settings, you find the Pro mode where you can change the ISO, you can change the shutter speed, as well as you can change the white balance. In the settings of the camera application, there are a few things that you can change around, and for the resolution of the video, you can capture 1080p videos with both the front-facing camera as well as with the rear-facing camera. With the early impressions, the camera did seem quite decent, but these are only our early impressions. With the selfie camera, at least it felt much better, and there are HDR shots possible with the selfie camera, and you can see the quality does seem to be quite good enough when you talk about the selfies here. And these are the conditions where there was not a lot of light, appreciable light around, but still it looked good. For the physical aspect, the phone comes with a micro USB port along with the speaker grill and the microphone towards the bottom. There's that power button with the notification light on it and the volume rocker on the side. On the top, there's the secondary microphone as well as the 3.5 headset jack, and on the left is that dedicated Google Assistant button with the SIM card tray. On the back, as said earlier, there's also a fingerprint sensor for the security, and there is face unlock as well. So for the security, there are the two options, face unlock and the fingerprint security. So this was all about the Nokia 4.2 smartphone that comes with the Android 9 Pie, 5.7-inch display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 chipset, and this is going to be the mid-range smartphone that should be priced under 15,000 rupees, and it might face some stiff competition in the Indian market when it arrives in India. So this was all about the Nokia 4.2. If you have any other questions, do let me know and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.